Hello, everybody, and today we're again going to talk about Mantaray and its amazing reporting capabilities. Today's topic is going to be specifically about reports that are most useful to middle and top level management in an organization. Let's open a tool we are going to talk about and see how it actually works. So we go to the Companies tab, and here under the Group Tools, we have that WIP Snapshot button. Let's click on it. So the abbreviation for WIP will be work in progress, which actually already tells us the point of the report tool that we will be able to monitor the servicing performance of the company that is in the process, and according to this, how much money is it going to bring us at the end. So we have here three tabs in here: setup, view, and export. Let's concentrate on the first one, which will actually allow us to set the filters up and choose what kind of information we would like to extract from our database. Let's add the data filters for the last year. You can always select the specific customer from the list, as well as the user and the task you would like to see in your report. I'll just for the moment leave the filters set for all customers, tasks, and users, so then I will have enough data to show you. There is also a drop-down list to select the status for your task, if it was already invoiced or not yet. I would like to include the history into my report, which actually means I will be able to see the archived timesheets as well. Checking out include disbursement box would mean you want the expenses to be included into the report. I would also like to check the box ignore internal clients. Now, non-chargeable and chargeable would describe the type of hours you spend on your client. I'm going to exclude the non-chargeable ones because I would like to focus on our client activities. These two lines of period filters correspond with the chargeable and non-chargeable hours. When you're finished with your filters, press Execute button. The report will open in the next tab called View. So here we can choose the way our data will be sorted. We have a lot of choices in fact. Let's open the list. So for example, I would like to see the time spent by user per task per customer. We can include and exclude the certain columns from the table by checking these boxes here. So when you're finished with selecting the necessary filters, you can choose to apply them to the certain customer, resource, or a task from here. So because our data is sorted by resource, we will have the selection list for the resources. I would like to choose a specific one, but you can always ignore and leave it. Leave the data sorted for all the resources. So press on apply filter if you want to perform the changes, or press the cancel filter to reset them. So now when everything is done and you have your perfect manager report, you can always save it the way it is, so that each time the data changes, the report can be automatically updated but stay with the same filters. In fact, Mantaray application doesn't save the report itself, but just the set of filters that you have selected. So you don't really have to execute the report in order to save it. So you just can pre-select the filters and then go ahead and save your report. So here we will have the window where you need to insert some information about your future report. Let's select the title for it. And save it. So now you can actually access it within any company maintenance screens. I will show you later on how to do that. In fact, it's very easy. So here we have under save button to others, open and reset. Open button, you need to click if you need to look at the list with reports that you have saved. So you can choose the one that you need. And the reset button you click if you need to reset all the filters and start building the new report. So I'm going to show you how to access your reports. You go to the company maintenance, and here in the view tab you'll have the reports, and here you have your list of reports. In fact, it doesn't really matter what contact it is in the screen. You will always have the list with your reports. So as you already know, all the tables within Mantaray application, they include the function to export the data into Excel files. Let me remind you a little bit about it. Let's go and open any screen that contains table and data in it. So here we have our contacts, and here in the upper right corner we have that icon. We click on it, and here we have the export table to Excel function, to Word, to XML. So the same thing is actually here with WIP Snapshot. We have the export tab here, and here's a button to export the report into Excel and to print it out on the paper. And here's a checkbox, new page for each parent. We actually check this box if we want every parent item of our report to be shown on a separate page. So now you know a little bit more about reporting possibilities within Mantaray, and we are confident that you will like the flexibility and the different slice and dice reporting that you can benefit from. I wish you good luck with it, and if there is anything you would like to know more about, or you have any suggestions of what might be on our next newsletters, please leave your comment below. And for now, bye bye!